Hello, welcome back to my channel. Like I said, I have a Peachy cheap in Amazon and my sticker of the month I wanted to show you. So first I'm going to start off with Amazon. I did pick up these stickers and it's over 200, I believe. It's 240 pieces and it's some flowers here. Let me take them out of the plastic for you. Show you a little bit what's in each plastic bag. And it's different colors, each packet. So these are the, like the pinks. And that's what's in here. So it's flowers like that you get in this packet. I'm just gonna put them all together. And then these are the whites. Sorry about the noise. I should have taken them out of the plastic. Sorry. So like that. So you get 2 each. Why isn't it focusing? Like that. And like that. So you get a lot of different types. Let me show you this one. This one right here. And they are stickers. So, look how cute is that one. Look at this rose. Or carnation. So there's different types like that. And that one, this one is bended. Look how cute. And look at that one. That's that one. And then this one are some like lilac or purple. So that. Show you that one. Look at this one. Oops. Come on. Where did it go? This one has like a little yellow in it. So they're pretty, you could use them. Look how pretty is this one. It's like a little dog or teddy bear. How pretty are those? So, and now we go to the yellow and like the reds. Look how pretty are these? Look like tulips. I love tulips. Look at these red tulips. These light up pink. Why isn't it focusing? Look how pretty is that? And this one. Look how pretty it looks, like a little bouquet you can make. And I showed you all of them. This one. And the next one are like yellow daisies and so you could use them for anything you want because they are stickers, so you could use them in your journals, your crafting. Look how pretty. I don't know names of flowers. I wish I did. My mother she could name a flower and how to take care of it. She knew. She was a green thumb. Me? No. I'm surprised that I even had a garden the 2 years that I tried to grow something and something did grow. I was surprised of myself. I really was. And even in the house, I'm starting to grow flowers. They don't die on me. So I'm kind of happy about that. Flowers are so beautiful. They give a nice smell to your house, especially roses. I have a rose bush in the front of the house, and I always cut some of the roses so that I could have them inside the house. That's a pretty one. Those are yellow. And the last one is different kind of colors. Yeah, those these. You could cut those because they're one, but you could cut each one as individual ones. Like stuff with that one. Show you that. This one looks like a dead flower. The roses. Show you that one. You could cut each one individually if you want it. So. showed you that. And then these. I like that blue. I showed you that. And then this pink one right here. And that is it for the stickers. Then I picked up, let me first close the door. My iRobot woke up. Sorry about that. So I did pick up this findings, and it's silver and gold. I didn't have that type of gold. I had a rose gold, and it has jump rings. It has the little clasps, and it has the little chain in silver and in white. I mean silver and gold. And then it has these that I bought, a whole bunch of them. So in that color. Then I bought it in this other silver coat. I forgot what it's called. Let me see. No, it doesn't say in the back. So it's not silver, it's another type of silver. So it comes with all of these. So it comes with those. And then it comes with the lobster claps. And then it comes with the chain. And then it comes with jump rings. And then it comes with larger ones. So it's different types of these little things that I like to do embellishments with. So I got that from Amazon. And that's all I picked up from Amazon. And now for the Pips Pro Sticker Club. I'm gonna show you what this month's Pro Stickers are. So the first one is this one right here, which is cute. It's making bracelets or friendship bracelets, and that's cute. The next one is all about painting and scissors and pencils, ruler, a X-Acto knife, a sharpener, some clips, an eraser. That's cute. The next one is about sewing. So you have two types of sewing machines there, pink and a mint. The little mouse with the scissors, the mouse with the needle, some buttons, and a pin cushion, some safety pins, and some thread. And that's so cute. The next one is this one right here. It's about painting, and it has holographic, just like the envelope. As you can see, it shines. It's pretty. So you have your paints, your buttons, your pin cushion, your brushes to paint, your pencil, the scissors, and a brush on her hand, and the glue gun, which is so pretty. And then you have different elements here in your craft room. It looks like a shelf. Like you have your embroidery threads, some that looks like different what is it called? You got your glitter over here, your stickers there, sticker books, pencils, colored pencils. So it's so cute. Pom-poms, that's what it is. Different pom-poms. Your threads here. your little ribbons there. So cute, and your paints there. So that's that one. And then this one is You Can't Make It, You Can't Make It. Bless your heart, I love that for you, don't talk to me. So, and then the next one is this one here, where it has all plants, different plants, and some thread there, some macrame thread to do the these designs here. And that is it. It came with this card. It says create. It says you could mail that card. And it also came with this little book. So that's the sticker of the month for March, for April. And then for my Peachy cheap, I picked up this set of Jen Hatfield, and it's the Live and Let Grow. So that is what you do get in this packet. So it has 40 pieces of phrase and ephemera. So pick that up. Then you get 40 pieces of icon ephemera, and these are the icons in here. Then she included these puffy stickers, and there's 36 of them of the hearts, which I love to use in my embellishments. And then you have the sticker book with 201 stickers. That is what you get in here. The 8 sheets. And then of course the stickers. And the stickers are like that foam. And then the 6x8 paper pad, which you get 36 pages. So, and they are perfect for cards, it says. And I believe some of them are gold foil on some of these. And I know you've seen it before. So, see, yes, gold foil right there. That's cute, a fussy cut. And it's all one-sided. And that's also to cut up. I love the butterflies with that rose gold. That one is pretty. That shine on that. It would have been nice if it had well, that shine there. That one has that shine with the hello. And then the last one is the cutout. And so that is it for my Peachy Cheap, Amazon, and my stickers. Now I'm going to come back with Target and Dollar Tree and my scrapbook.com order. So stay tuned for those 2 or 1 video after this one. Thank you. As always, please give it a thumbs up if you like this video, and if you are not subscribed, and I would love to have you subscribe to my channel so that you can see more videos like this. And if you have any questions, please leave it down below. Thank you and have a good day. Bye bye.